Mga sikwistas, ako nga pala si Mr. Melakino.
At ako nga pala si Titan Hawk.
At ito ang
Motorsiklo News Talk Show.
Thank God it's Wednesday. At
Yes.
ang usapan po natin, Papa Titan, sa news event is the Adiva distributor. Kumbaga, ang pangalan niya ay si Mr. Ernie Espeleta.
Yes, mamaya papakita natin ang kanilang main product, yung Adiva 300i.
Yan. At syempre, ito ang isa sa mga bagong player ng motorcycle industry. So sit back
Relax.
and enjoy,
Enjoy the show.
For our news and events, we will be interviewing Mr. Ernie Espeleta of the distributor of Adiva motorcycles here in
Yes.
the Philippines. And we will talk about kung ano yung naging concept niya o ba't niya naisipan ipasok ang three-wheeler Adiva.
Yes,
So,
oo.
tingnan po natin ang VTR. Mga siklistas, ako nga pala si Mr. Melakino at nandito tayo ngayon sa Industry News. Kasama po natin ngayon dito mga kaibigan, the man behind the Adiva Philippines, the exclusive distributor of Adiva, MBBCI Trading, Mr. Ernie S. Espeleta. Magandang hapon po, sir.
Magandang hapon po naman.
Yes, sir. Sir, tell us about the company, Adiva Philippines. When did it started, sir? Kailan nagsimula ito?
Actually, started almost 2 months pa lang naman. At I import the first 2 units for a sample demo units here in the Philippines. Then eventually, we got the distributorship, sole importer of Adiva
Adiva.
in the Philippines.
Ayun, sir, bakit Adiva? We have lots of motorcycle in the world. Diba? Parang ito, medyo kakaiba tong bike na to eh. Kakaiba tong motor na to. So, bakit yung Adiva ang napili natin ipasok sa Pilipinas?
Yes, because nandun yung technology. Adiva was born in Italy.
In Italy.
So, nandun yung technology when it comes to scooters.
Scooters,
Italy, alam naman natin yun.
Oh, maraming scooter sa Italy. Basta pag sinabing Italy, hindi lang ho sa Thailand. Sa Italy,
Yes.
marami hong scooter.
Yes. So, nung nag-originate siya, so naniniwala ako na the product is very good. Kilala naman, top brands ng scooter, dyan ang gagaling sa Italy. Kaya naniniwala ako na yung Adiva natin is high quality.
High quality. Okay, sir, let's talk about the bike. At pag-usapan natin itong scooter na to. Anong klaseng modelo ang scooter na to, sir? Anong model siya?
This is a Adiva AD3 300.
AD3 300. So, it's a 300cc.
Yes,
It's
three-wheel.
three-wheeler.
Yeah.
So, mapapansin natin, 3 gulong. Then, meron siyang bubong, sir, ha?
Yes.
So, this is the first time na nakakita ko ng scooter na may bubong siya, meron siyang malaking windshield, at saka may wiper up close.
Yes.
Okay, so, ano po yung pagkakaiba niya ron sa unang motor na nakita kong may bubong na hindi natatanggal? Tapos, meron din three-wheeler dito sa Pilipinas na big displacement din,
Yes.
pero wala siyang bubong. Pero ito, crossover to.
Yes, parang pinagsama mo na siya.
Okay.
Yung scooter na may bubong, pero hindi three-wheel. Ito
Pero hindi
naman,
three-wheel, oo.
meron naman scooter na three-wheel, ito naman may bubong.
Ito naman, may bubong.
So, pinagsama mo na siya, crossover.
Crossover siya.
So, ang advantage pa nito, convertible.
Uy, convertible. So, ibig sabihin, sir,
Yes.
natatanggal tong top
pumapasok
roof
siya
natin.
sa'yo. Para siyang kotse.
Okay, para siya Corvette, no? Na
Yeah,
soft top, no?
Yeah,
So, kung medyo mainit ang araw or medyo makulimlim na, pwede mo na siyang tanggalin. Saan na pupunta to?
Pumapasok siya dito sa top box. This is a 90 liters top box.
90 liters top
Yeah.
box. Wow.
Pagka kasya siya dalawang helmet,
So, dalawang full-size
helmet.
helmet.
Pag naka-activate tong roof natin.
Roof natin.
Pero pag nasa loob na siya, isang helmet na lang.
Wow. And I do believe that this was designed in 1994 and it is given the patent noong 2004. So, siya lang po ang scooter na merong ganitong klase ng design. Okay? So, sir, saan na available ang AD3 300i? Adiva.
Ang first dealer natin ay si Ropali.
Ropali Classics. Okay.
Ropali Classics here in
Escriba Drive.
Escriba Drive.
Okay, Gold Loop. You can check out the Ropali Classics
Yes.
here in Pasig City, Ortigas.
Yes, and our second dealer is 2211.
2211, it's
And-
located in
Leon Ginto.
Leon Ginto, sa Maynila po. Ayan.
Manila.
Okay.
This service center natin, authorized service center is Ropali Classics,
Classics.
and 2211.
Ayan, so yung mga siklistas natin, huwag kayong magalala. Kung ito ay EFI, fuel injected, we have service center here at Ropali Classics at doon po sa
211.
211, which is in Manila.
Yes.
So, sir, sa spare parts, wala tayong problema rito?
Yes, 100%. You're having Italian bike with a Japanese technology.
Wow.
That's why yung kanyang maintenance is like
Hassle-free.
ordinary.
Oh. Madaling
Wala
hanapin
kayong
ng pyesa,
problema.
walang problema sa maintenance.
Yes.
Okay, maybe sir, we can invite them to where can we catch the Adiva AD300i? Maybe sa Facebook, sa
Yeah, in
email?
Facebook, we have Adiva Philippines in Facebook.
Yan.
Meron din tayong mga contact numbers doon. And we have also a special financing scheme for these models.
Yun, actually, very important po yan,
Yes.
financing.
Financing, yeah.
Ayan, so
financing.
kung hindi nyo kaya ng cash, pwede nating
Yes.
Yun.
Marami siyang features na hindi mo para siyang kotse na scooter.
Ayun. So actually, the focus of Adiva is you're having a scooter with the comfortability of a car.
Yes.
So yan po yung isa sa mga pinupush ng Adiva and one of their objectives. So maraming salamat, sir. So maraming salamat po, Sir
Thank you.
Ernie. So maybe Ciclistas, catch Adiva AD300i sa inyong mga suking dealership. Ropali Classics and 2211.
Thank you.
And of course, yun na po ang naging interview natin kay Mr. Erme Espeleta. Ayan. So, susunod po natin, introduce naman, na-bike
Yes,
review
oo.
naman natin, di ba?
Yung yung Adiva 300i, wherein ito yung three-wheeler na scooter.
Yan.
At ang kagandahan nito, top-down, no? May
Oo,
bubong.
may bubong, pwedeng umuulan, pwedeng kahit sa magpunta, rock and roll ka talaga doon.
Siyempre.
So, panoorin po natin.
The Adiva AD300i. The new approach to modern mobility consists in implementing the concept of variable protection that is a step-by-step setup of the chassis to combine the merits of quick and simple riding typical of scooters with the superior comfort and protection offered by cars. Adiva Corporation was born on July 31st, 1996 with a challenging goal: develop and engineer a new generation of vehicles better suited for the city mobility based on the concept and innovations inspired by his young entrepreneur, Nicola Pozzio. The first Adiva concept scooter was shown to the Italian public in 1994, and the international patent of the Adiva foldable roof innovation was granted in 2004. The first Adiva product to enter into production was launched at the Milan Motorcycle Show in 2000, recording an instant hit under the OEM agreement with Benelli brand and the model name Adiva. The Adiva AD300i is a three-wheel vehicle, double-seated, with the chassis able to protect very effectively the riders through the patent variable protection system, which allows at any time to modify the level of weather protection depending by weather conditions and the preferences of the rider's Adiva variable protection. The AD300i is ready to run and arise new emotions, protecting users by cold, wind, rain, smog, UV rays in everyday city traffic while making them feel safe and protected. The 300cc single cylinder has a punch on the low end up to the mid. The liquid-cooled engine features a short-stroke clear electronic fuel injection. The bike is equipped with the two single-piston caliper disc brake in the front with a single-piston caliper in the rear with a monoshock suspension. The front suspension on a bike comprises an adjustable monoshock and aluminum alloy mags. The 300 comes equipped with a fully digital multi-function display that includes the analog speedometer. Overall, the Adiva AD300i is a compact motorcycle with a seat height of 700mm. The Adiva AD300i has special features: windshield, wiper with shield washer, convertible roof, 90 liters built-in rear top box, passenger back headrest, front suspension system, adjustable front shocks, USB charger with light, and front driver and passenger drink holder.
So nakita mo, papatayta,
Yes,
no? Poging-pogi ako dun sa Adiva na
Naman,
yan.
sobra, oo.
Saka sinubukan ko siyang ilin talaga ng sagad, no? Medyo nakakatakot na sa una, pero if you're thinking that ito ay three-wheeler, medyo parang mabibigatan ka. Pero as you go along with the bike, talagang smooth din siya na parang two-wheeler.
Oo nga, napansin ko dun sa video mo is napakaganda at parang napakagaan dalhin.
Yes, of course. At saka syempre, very comfortable yung angkas natin yan.
Naman.
At syempre, speaking of angkas, this coming Thursday, meron po tayong pag-uusapan regarding sa government state. So, abangan po natin yan sa darating ng Thursday. Kaya mga sikwistas, muli po, ako nga pala si Mr. Mel Aquino.
At ako nga pala si Titan Hawk.
At ito ang
Motorsiklo News Talk Show.
Thank God, it's Wednesday, mga
Yes,
sikwistas. Ayan, at muli po, ako nga pala si Mr. Mel Aquino.
At ako nga pala si Titan Hawk.
At ito ang
Motorsiklo News Talk Show.
Pag-uusapan natin for news and events, we have the Adiva distributor, Mr. Ernie Espeleta. Espeleta. Ayan. Espeleta. It's Wednesday, mga siklistas. At kasama po natin ngayon, magkasama po kami ni Mr. Papa Titan Hawk.
Yes.
Sa suliwa, si Papa Mel, pwede rin. Okay, sige. Ano lang natin? Okay.